Steelma specializes in the development of roof roll forming machines. This video shows the production process of a high-quality metal bending machine. Roofing sheet roll forming machine consists of an automatic decoiler feeding guide, roll forming unit, hydraulic cutter with PLC-based control system. Polished surface and heat treatment for molds can keep the molding plate surface smooth and not easy to be marked when stamping. It adopts hydraulic drive to automatically position, determine the size, and cut the target product. Ensure that the overlapping accuracy of the finished product is controlled within 1 mm. Steelma always give you proper solution.